What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at a budget-friendly gaming keyboard. This one is the MotoGP Inflictor. First off, you can tell that this has a pretty cool looking design. It has some pretty cool RGB features. This one's actually sporting the blue switches. So for those who know mechanical keyboards, you know your blue switches, your browns, your reds. Now this does come in multiple colors: red, rose gold, and of course silver. It has 9 kinds of light effects. I believe there's software in here, and it allows you to actually control the individual keys. So if you're looking for one of those keyboards, but you don't want to spend like, you know, $100 and some on a Razer, Black Widow, Chroma, whatever, this could be a good substitute. This does have 104 keys, so your basic key layout, plus it has the 9 key. I like having a 9 key. It comes in real handy when you got to do something with numbers. Now, the keys themselves are double color injected coating, so that way, you know, it's gonna last longer. It's not gonna wear out as fast with any keyboard, you know, especially for gamers, especially with the WASD buttons. You'll see some wear and tear on those. Hopefully, with this being double coated, that will take a lot longer. And the keys themselves, they're rated at 50 million keystrokes. Also, it has a gold-plated USB plug. That way it has a faster, more stable transmission. And the whole thing only weighs like 0.79 kilograms. Don't need the box. Get out of here. Goodbye. First off, we've got your mechanical keyboard instructions, and then it looks like a warranty card, but that is not in English. So, good luck. And then of course you've got your key. This is to help you actually remove the keys if you need to replace them. That's cool that they actually add that in there. Oh man, that looks slick. That actually looks really clean. I really like the dark aluminum look to it. That is really nice. And of course you can see how the caps are raised up. So, oh yeah, very clicky. I guess these are some presets. So FPS, that's Call of Duty. What is that? CF. I don't know. LOL. I'm not sure what's going on there. Maybe this will tell me. Hold on. Oh, okay, so it lights up. Interesting, we're gonna have to check that out. For these different modes, the keys will light up in a specific way that's more geared toward that game, I guess. That's kind of cool. Okay, so the cable, it's held on by this nice little Velcro. 6-foot cable. The USB, again, it's gold plated for better connectivity, and then of course it's got the little logo right there. The bottom, very basic. You've got your rubber feet, and then you've got your legs, and on the bottom of those, which I like this because a lot of keyboards don't come like this, but on the bottom of the actual feet that you pull out, it has rubber stoppers on it as well to prevent from sliding around. That's actually a nice little touch. Okay, let's plug it in. Oh man, look at that. Oh God, that looks clean. Okay, so function, let's do FPS. Oh, look at that. Okay, so when you put it in FPS, you got your WSD buttons highlighted plus your arrow keys, very cool. CF, I don't know what CF is supposed to stand for. For those out there who may know, let me know down below. Function Call of Duty. Function LOL. Not sure what LOL is supposed to be for. And then race. Function and insert. Man, that looks clean. You see that? Look at that. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, cool. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's cool. Ooh, does it light up? No, just kind of breathing. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. That's nice, I like that one. Oh, there we go. Oh, it does it when you hit the keys. I'm easily amused. Oh, that one's kind of neat. So when you hit a button, the buttons around it light up. And so there we go, the little rainbow, that's nice. This one's called Pass Without Trace. Doesn't do anything. So these are the controls on if you want it to go fast or slow or bright or dim. So basically you can actually customize it as well. So you don't have to stick with just what it has built in. You can customize it by basically doing another combination of function and home once you're in that mode. Let's go back to FPS mode. Okay, function, home. Oh, so there you go. You can actually, oh man, that's cool. So I can have them laid out differently by just pressing them more than once. I could go like this. Oh, there we go. And then you just hit it again and it saves it. Boom. It's all built in just by using the function key. This thing's really cool. Let's check the typing on it real quick. I like it. I'm really liking it. Now, I hear the spring recoil. It's like a slight echo. So it's got like a kind of like a metal dinging sound. I don't know if you guys could pick that up. Function keys do work. Volume control. Is there a calculator on here? Boom, calculator comes up. It's a totally functional keyboard. I mean, it does work. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a cool gaming RGB keyboard, I think this is a pretty cool way to go. The only downside that I see, that little spring recoil that I'm hearing, that little vibration, you may not like that. It feels pretty solid. It looks good. I like the aluminum alloy finish on it. It's really cool. I like the raised up buttons. You can really see that. It looks really clean. I mean, that's pretty nice. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.